So here I have 18 ounces of celery, and with a 90% yield approximately, I'm going to get 16 ounces out of this. And that's what Anthony Williams suggests that we drink on an empty stomach every morning without adding any water or anything else. So I'm going to place this in our Wildside jar. Now this jar is available not only for the Blendtec blender, but also for the Vitamix blender. Vacuum blending is a wonderful thing because you have zero oxygen. So you add about 200% to the polyphenols, almost twice as much of the polyphenols, the antioxidants, on anything you blend. So I'm going to go real slow. Just pulse it, so no water. And now I'm going to go all the way up. Now notice as I release the vacuum. So that's basically oxygen-free blending. So that's what it looks like. No water added. This is designed and developed by Blendtec engineers, and it is very unique in that it's the largest bag on the market. It has no strings attached, and strings are really harborage for bacteria. So you want a bag without strings. If your bag fails, which eventually it will if you use it enough, if you dial 1-800-BLENDTEC, we will send you a new bag. I always wash my hands, and I always rinse the bag and the jar before I do this. So celery, as you've noticed, has gone up. It's very expensive since everybody's juicing it now. You don't want to waste any. Plus, I'm going to show you the kind of yield that we're getting from this celery, so I don't want to leave too much in the container. And what's nice about the bag, it's so big. Now you see most people, they'll make a ball in the bottom. But what I do is I bring it back on itself like this because there's so many square inches available, more than any bag. And you see how readily that comes out of the bag. Now, to illustrate how dry this is, the pulp, it just falls out of the bag. Let's see what we get. Now notice, because I vacuum blended, which you don't have to do, but there's very few bubbles on the top, and it'll go a long time before it separates compared to regular blending. So, cheers.